Okay, so here we are. We continue. Task 4. It says write down in your answer booklet. Okay, so we are done with the first task that was programming. Programming was task 1 to task 3. So we have done everything that was supposed to be done there. Now we are in task 4 now. And task 4 is, I think, a spreadsheet. Yeah. Write down in the answer booklet a spreadsheet formula for each of the following quantities unit consumed. So we need to write down the formula here. So for me to do that, I will just write this. Write down in your answer booklet spreadsheet formula. Now, if we consider that this is column A, B, C, D, okay, for us to have the unit consumed here, we are going to say that the unit consumed will be equals to I don't know if one can just implement this at once in order not to waste time. Yeah, let me just implement it in Excel. So let's open the spreadsheet app. Let's wait for the app to open. So this is our app. We'll try to see how to design this. Okay, here. So let's try to design this our table as it is in the spreadsheet. So you may consider this as column A. Column B we have meta. We have meta 1, meta 2, meta 3. So we have this, and then we have all of this should be bold. Next two also should be bold. So the next two we have color reading. Previous reading. Oh, 1103, 1225, 1110. We have 1023, 1110. Okay, and down here we have unit consumed. And after that, amount per unit. After that, growth amount. Which is consumption times unit price. What next? After that, we have VAT, and then net amount payable. So if I take this, now I can implement everything. So which formula am I writing for the unit consumed for this? To get the formula is simply current reading minus previous. So and once I have that, I will calculate for the rest. So that's it. So it means for this cell, I can just use this and paste here. I can just paste this formula here. Now the amount per unit. The amount per unit will use an if statement. So the condition will be that if the unit consumed is less than 100, what happens? The cost will be, I think it's 59. What was the cost again? 65 first. So we'll put 65. Otherwise, it's going to be round. Simple. So that's the formula. So we'll do the same thing with others. It has given the prices. Uh, Now the gross amount. The gross amount is the product of the unit consumed and the unit price. Okay, so that's it. So with this now, I'll calculate for the rest. What about VAT? VAT is 1.5% of that product we got up there. Mm, so we'll put 1.8% times what we got up here. That's the VAT. Now, mm, so here it's going to be uh, this plus this plus 500 first. So that's it. Oh, so that's how it's going to look like in Excel. Oh, let me see the height right here. I'll copy it to all the cells. That we can have equal height. So this is beautiful. So that is it. That was supposed to be done here. They said we should implement it in the spreadsheet package and copy them into our cells. So after implementing the values that we have here, we just copy them down, copy them here. Okay. So here I was supposed to put the formulas I use like here. So I'm just inserting the formula one after the other. So that's it. The rest you just need to type as it is on here. You feel it here. So that's it for this question. Thank you very much and see you in our next video. God bless you.